Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to download and install Xampp for SQL. For this, first open your browser. Type Xampp download in URL search bar and press enter. Click on download Xampp. Click on download on the version you want. Now wait for a few seconds, your download will begin automatically. After the download completes, click on Open. A warning box will appear, click on OK. Now go ahead simply by clicking on Next, and install the application. Click on Finish. Now your Xampp control panel will open. Click on Start next to MySQL. Then click on Admin. Here you can see an error occurred. Again, go to Xampp control panel. Click on Stop MySQL. Now click on Start Apache. Then click on Start MySQL. Then click on Admin. Now it will work perfectly. Please hit like and subscribe button for more tech videos. Also share this video. Thank you.